Hello, my dear friends. Okay, we are today dealing with the sexual reproduction. Okay, we go for sentence to sentence. Okay, a sexual reproduction involves the formation of male and female gametes. The fusion of male and female gametes we called as sexual reproduction. We studied at a last video that it will individual or it will involve by parents or two parents which are in opposite sex, either by the same individuals or by different individuals. Same individuals means in the same species, okay, and different individuals means in the different types of species of opposite sex, okay, and these gametes fuse to form the zygote which develops to form the new organism, okay, and which will be developed to new organism like human, dogs, cat, like that. Okay, it is an elaborate means lengthy process, and complex, which will be complex in the form, because the asexual reproduction, which is nothing but a sexual cell division, okay, and that cell division which will be occurs only splitting of cells. This is the main process of that asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, it will not like that. It will be little bit complex and very slow process, because we are considering in a human which will be maturity at 18 year or 12 year. It will be takes a little bit time. After that they can be process their reproduction as compared to asexual reproduction. It is asexual reproduction which will be simple and which will be not a complex process, and it will be fast division because of fusion of male and female gametes. Why it is slow process? Because of fusion of male and female gametes. And sexual reproduction results in offspring that are not identical to their parents or amongst themselves, but they are amongst themselves, but they are not exact copy of their parents. Okay, next, a study of diverse organisms, plants, animals, or fungi show that though they are differ so greatly in external morphology, internal structure, and physiology, and huge number of organisms like we are compared to plants, animals, fungi, they are differ in their structure, okay, and they are, some are motile, some are not motile, some are photosynthetic, some are not photosynthetic, and some are parasitic, some are heterotrophs. They are different way of their morphology, internal structure, and physiology. When it comes for sexual mode, the all reproduction, surprisingly they share a similar pattern, which will be produces male gametes, female gametes, and get fused and to form zygote, and after zygote, embryo to new organism. All little bit be same in all type of organism, but they are differ in their structure. And let us first discuss what is the feature are common of these diverse organisms. Okay, in all organisms have reached to certain stage of growth and maturity in their life, and all are the same type of, in plants, in animals, in fungi, all them, they are have to certain stage of growth and maturity. After that it will be complete, or it will be reached to the reproduction stage before they can reproduce sexually. Before andra modalige, and that one, this period we called as, and that growth period we called as what? Juvenile phase. It is called as juvenile phase, okay, and it is known as vegetative phase in a plants, okay, and these phase is variable durations of different organism, which will be compared with, it will be differ from organism to organism. The end of juvenile or vegetative phase, which mark the beginning of the reproductive phase, can be seen easily in a higher plants when they come to flower. When it will be comes in a reproductive phase, after the juvenile or vegetative phase, and after we seen that the maturity of that product. Okay, in plants easily we can found to become a flower, because a flower is a reproductive part of that plants. Okay, and some flower in some plants where flowering occurs more than once, what would be call of interflowering period or juvenile or mature, and the intermediate they are formed. No, the intermediate flowers are formed in the mediate, and some roses, marigold flowers, and rice, wheat, coconut, mango, and different plants of which are differ from their juvenile phase. Okay, observe a few tree in your area. Do they during the same month of year or after a year? Why do they availability of fruit like mango, apple, jackfruit? It is seasonal, and some are not seasonal. Okay, are there some plants that flower throughout the year, and some other that shows seasonal flowers, and they are differ from their habitat. Okay, plants, the annual and biennial type. Annual means bahuvarshika, ekavarshika plants are there, no, and show clear cut of vegetative, reproductive, and senescence phase. Senescent means aging phase, how they are live, how they are present. But in the perennial species it is very difficult to clearly dance these phases. In perennial means bahuvarshika, in bahuvarshika plants they are not clearly observed where when they are vegetative, reproductive, or aging phase. Okay, a few plants exhibit unusual flowering phenomenon. Some of them, such as bamboo species, flowers only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years. After 50 to 100 years, the bamboo plant will be flowers once, and after that fruit and die. Okay, and another example is Strobilanthes kuntiana, Neela Kuranji. This plants we called as, in commonly we called as Neela Kuranji, and these Neela Kuranji flower flowering at once in a 12 year. At last it will be flower blossom at a September up to 2016, and after that 12 years it will be 2018. Okay, its mass flowering transformed large tracts of a hills areas which will be found in a hills areas like Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu into boost stretches and attracted the large number of tourists. And it will be in animals the juvenile phase is followed by morphologically physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. Okay, and how they it will be changes in animals like in a plants, which will be seen in a next video. Okay, thank you.